Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see adverbs and time expressions of present perfect. Let's start with since and for. Both since and for are used to describe how long an action or event takes place. For comes before length of time, duration of time, period of time, as you can see here in these examples, for 10 minutes, for 5 years, for lifetime. Let's see example number 1. How long have you been in Paris? How long have you been in Paris? I've been in Paris for 10 days. Since comes before starting time, specific point of time. As you can see here in this example, since last night, since 1994, since winter. Example: how long have you been in Paris? How long have you been in Paris? I've been in Paris since 2023. I've been in Paris since 2023. Already and yet. We use already in affirmative statements, and we use yet in questions and with negative statements. Example: Peter has already eaten his lunch. Peter has already eaten his lunch. Already comes between the auxiliary has and the past participle eaten. One more example. Have you seen the new Avengers movie yet? Have you seen the new Avengers movie yet? No, I haven't seen it yet. Ever and never. We use this expression to ask about unspecified time in the past. We can only use ever in question or in the negative statement, and we use never in negative answers. Example: I've never climbed Wenchery's mountain. I've never climbed Wenchery's mountain. Never comes between the auxiliary have and the past participle climbed. One more example. Have you ever seen jellyfish in your life? Have you ever seen a jellyfish in your life? Always and before. Example: Natalie has always been close to her mother. Natalie has always been close to her mother. Always comes between the auxiliary has and the past participle been. So far and up to now. These expressions also show connection between the past and the present. Like since and for, they can occur at the beginning or end of the sentence, but usually at the end. We've had so many presents so far. We've had so many presents so far. You've had so many presents up to now. We've had so many presents up to now. Lately and recently. We use these adverbs to show an indefinite time in the near past. These adverbs can go at the beginning of the sentence or at the end. I've read an amazing book recently. I've read an amazing book recently. She's been to Dubai lately. She has been to Dubai lately.